Did you even realize the washer is running? Bosch. Perfectly silent, perfectly clean. With maximum washing power, minimum energy consumption, and wash programs that suit your every need, giving you a perfect wash every time. On days when you've had a sweaty workout and a quick wash turnaround is what you really need, Super Quick is here to help with a fast and efficient wash. In just the time you take for a coffee, Super Quick packs a power wash in just 2 rinse cycles. You are sure to love this useful program for washing sweaty sports attire and daily wear in humid weather. For the important little people in your home, you can rest easy with the Kids Wear program to get rid of all the icky grime and stains. What's more, you can trust the Kids Wear program to protect their delicate skin with an extra rinse to ensure all detergent is washed off. And there's even a child-proof lock to prevent curious hands from changing your desired wash program, giving you peace of mind at every wash. So whatever you wish to wash, Bosch has it covered. If you wish to avoid having damp laundry with unpleasant odors, simply activate Rinse Hold. It is designed to hold the laundry in clean water, so you can drain and spin for fresh, clean laundry when you're home. For days you wish to schedule the washing to your convenience, time delay lets you decide when the laundry will be completed, so you can plan your time better. And on occasions when your lunch gives you a nasty surprise, Pre-wash can give you the extra wash they need. And these easy-to-use options are not all. Easy Iron. You can also opt for fluffy laundry with less creases for easier ironing. Reload. Add items after the program has started. Speed Perfect. Choose a really fast and efficient wash to save washing time by up to 60%. Drum Clean. Disinfect the drum. Remove odors and detergent residue buildup. And when you're missing something and can't find it anywhere else, you may just get a nice surprise here. You're all ready to have a great wash experience. One last thing. Remember to keep the door open after every wash to prevent mold formation. Try it. You'll love it. Bosch, making laundry care simpler, more efficient than ever before.